Justice is a unique combat shotgun in Fallout 4, known for its brutal staggering effect, giving each blast a chance to halt enemies in their tracks. It's compact, reliable, and turns close-quarters fights into easy wins thanks to its high pellet count, amplifying the stagger chance. This powerhouse isn't found in the wild. You have to buy it from Penny Fitzgerald inside the settlement of Covenant.
But welcome. Everyone around here calls me Mrs. Fitzgerald, but you, cutie, can call me Penny.
Nice to meet a friendly face.
You're in luck then. Covenant is the friendliest place in the whole Commonwealth. You'll see. You here to shop? I'll make sure to give you a good price.
What's in stock?
Best